We're back with breaking updates coming in of a massive money heist in Odisha. The visuals that we're going to show you are from the Dharamgarh police station in Odisha, where cash of about 3.51 crores have been seized by the police officials. They've apprehended an interstate robbery gang from Jharkhand, allegedly involved in several robbery and dacoity incidents. The officials have also seized cash along with several weapons and other articles. My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tetri, this is a massive cash haul, 3.5 crores being seized from the robbers. What are the details that the police officials have revealed of this gang?
Well, you see, this is one of the largest cash seizure in Odisha's Kalahandi police who has busted this interstate gang. And in fact, you have rightly mentioned, they have seized an amount of, in fact, recovered an amount of rupees 3.51 crore in cash. Now, in fact, not just that, but they have also recovered firearms, ammunition, and the vehicles that were used to commit this particular crime. And in fact, what we're also getting to know is that the accused who have been, arrested, they all belong to Ranchi district of the state of Jharkhand, and in fact they very cautiously planned this particular robbery, and they stormed into a liquor factory. And what we are getting to know is that this liquor factory was in Dharamgarh, where they stormed, and then they also were having deadly weapons with them. They held the staff at gunpoint, and then they robbed this amount of rupees, approximately 3 crores, which has now been recovered by the police.
Okay, all right. So have the officials revealed any details of who the gang members were, those who have been arrested, and also any details of whether more people are involved in this?
Well, see, as of now, what we are getting to know is that approximately 8 people have been arrested, and in fact, police is trying to also, in this particular investigation, trying to recreate the scene, because they told that the cops, in fact, told that after the robbery, the accused fled the scene, and in fact, during initial investigation, the cops had arrested 2 local accused, but then later on, as they got the tips, as they recreated the scene, then in fact they got to know why they traced the vehicles, and then they accused were identified, and all individuals involved. As of now, the cops have been saying that all the individuals involved in this incident have been arrested.
Okay, all right. Tetri, thank you for joining us with those details. Look at the visuals on your screens, viewers. Over 3.5 crores being seized and recovered by the police officials, and 8 men who are suspected to have robbed a country-made liquor factory have now been arrested by the police officials. The police are investigating on the modus operandi that they used, but they do know as of now that these 8 people are from Jharkhand. They've been arrested from Jharkhand and they were operating in Odisha.